Good morning to everyone who is present here on this auspicious occasion. All of us are here to celebrate the 73rd Republic Day of our country today. I am obliged and honored to give a speech on Republic Day. Republic Day, celebrated every year on 26 January, has a special significance in the history of India. To make the event memorable, the national event is celebrated every year with a lot of joy, happiness, and pride in our heart. As we know, on 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution came into effect, and so from that day, we, the people of India, constantly praise it as the Republic Day of our country. We all know that India got independence on 15 August 1947, but the nation didn't have any constitution of its own. However, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submit a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949 and officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. I want to end this speech by saying that India is a democratic country. The citizens living in a democratic country with lead with enjoy the privilege to select their leader to lead the country. Although there has been a lot of improvement till now, it can also be said that we have been facing a few problems such as pollution, poverty, etc. One thing we can all do is to promise each other that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could contribute to solving all these problems and making our nation a better place. Thank you. Jai Hind.